All right, we're gonna go ahead and talk about what kind of fuel you should use. Is it worth getting premium, or should you just get the regular fuel? Now, growing up, I always got regular, thought I was saving money, but the cars never lasted. It seemed like by 100,000 miles, my car was blowing white smoke and everything. I remember I bought a decent vehicle, went and put premium in it. It just felt better right away. But then the prices started going up, and then you realize that it's probably not the best idea because it was so expensive. But they have these additives that you could put in. I'm pretty sure you could figure out these bottles if you go to your store, and then you add these to your fuel. So even if you get regular, I would suggest you at least get a mid-grade and add these to it, and that'll help your engine to last a lot longer. My Trailblazer is at 150,000 miles, and this thing, all I've ever pretty much ran it on was premium. And if I didn't run it on premium, I've been running it on putting these additives in it, additives for your fuel, either every time you fuel up or at least once a month. But I think these work, and my Chevy has proved that, and so has my other car. I got a Subaru, and that thing does the same thing. It just runs pretty much on premium. It does help whatever you use in it. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, put a comment in the bottom. What kind of stuff do you like to put in it if you run with the regular or use the premium or mid-grade? Make sure you hit the notifications, follow us, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, we're out of here.